Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Today I'm sharing with you how to strengthen your back through leg exercises. Did you know when you're strengthening the legs, you're strengthening the back? So what do you do? First lay down and stretch. Really stretch. Bring the palms next to the hips facing down. Come on your elbows. Now lift the legs up, just floating. Good. Stay here for a moment and breathe. Then bring the legs up. Good. Now with an exhalation, right leg down. Inhaling up, exhale left leg down, inhaling up, exhale right leg down, inhaling up, exhale left leg down, inhaling up, exhale left leg down, inhaling up, exhale right leg down, inhaling up. Stay there. Good. Now both legs together with control. Push the heels away, toes towards the face, keep the legs straight. Exhaling down without touching, inhaling up. 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 Stay up. Good. Push the heels away, toes towards the face. And separate the legs wide apart and together. Separate the legs wide apart and together. Separate the legs wide apart and together. Come down to 45 degrees. Extend the legs wide apart and together. Wide apart and together. Wide apart and together. Now just above the floor, 10%. Separate the legs wide apart. Bring the legs together, separate the legs wide apart, bring the legs together, separate the legs wide apart, bring the legs together, come back up, stay there for a moment, breathe, push the heels away, toes towards the face. Come slowly down on the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, another 3, 2, 1, and relax down. Now you can lay down on your back, bend the knees into the chest, really push the lower back and whole back down on the floor, release any pressure from the floor. You can also bring the forehead up towards the knees, rocking from side to side, forward and backwards, and relax. Now, you choose, you can repeat the same sequence, kind of in a loop, don't overdo, but you will feel it will strengthening the legs, and from day to day you can keep the legs more straight and core engaged. Hari Om Tat Sat. See you next time. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.